Is it working? Don't forget, lefty tighty, righty loosey. You turning it the right way? Your light isn't even shining on it. Make sure you got some light, good light on it. Yeah, that's the right way to undo it. It's coming down. Alright, let's get that screw because I don't want to lose it. And let me get that screwdriver. Hey, you think it's possible to kind of... Hey, look at this. Can you see water moving in there too? Can you see water moving? So if you see that happening, where do you think the block is? Huh? The block couldn't be there if you see it's coming out right there, right? You don't think it's where that black piece is? Alright, I think we should take that black piece off. That's the drain tube. What do you think they will call that black piece? Take a look at it. Turn it around. Does it have a straight hole or what? Is that some gooey stuff coming out? Alright. Alright, so you're going to take that off? I think you're going to need two hands because you got to hold the plastic tube and kind of try to pull that black piece out of it. I don't know, maybe you position your body a little better, I guess. I don't know. It's your position. Oh, I know it's tight. You gotta be flexible. You see how I get in tight space. There you go. Isn't that much more comfortable? And don't forget, make sure you don't leak water on the floor, right? Okay. Working today on this true refrigerator. Ice buildup, not cooling properly. Lorenzo did the diagnostic and determined it was a clogged defrost drain system. So we came out here to take it apart and see, and what do you know, he was correct. So now he's there and doing the actual repair. Make sure your light shine on it, and then you kind of pull while you twist a little bit. Don't feel like it's coming out? You want the brush to try and push the brush in it? And don't forget, as you're pushing the brush in, right, you're trying to twist it a little bit too. That way it can kind of curve up in there. Make sure you're holding it good. Yeah, turn it to the right, like clockwise, right? No, turn the brush and try to just push the brush up in it to clean it. Twist it the other way, the brush. Yeah, while you're pushing. And let's see if it will be able to pass that elbow. Did it pass it? Huh? Gonna move? Alright, you're gonna have to try and get that black piece then. Try a little bit more just to get it in there, see if it will go. Try to pull it out, see if water comes out. Lay the hose down a little bit. No? Okay, yeah, we got to get that black piece off. I think the clog is just before on the other side of that black tube. What do you think? Yeah, but the water, if you see water in the tube, it's supposed to come out, don't it? Ain't supposed to be no water in the tube. Is it clamped there or just pushed on? The black piece, is it pushed on or just clamped?
I think
it's what?
Pushed on. It's hard to push on.
Well, you're supposed to be able to pull it off. Well, put your little fingers in it. Oh, what do you need? Like a flat thing, or you need a flat thing like a screwdriver or something? You sure it's not clamped on there, or it's just pushed in? Okay. Alright, so I gave him a hand to pull the tubing off real quick, and now you can see a lot of stuff in the tubing. Alright, well guys, look at that. We just unplugged the refrigerator defrost drain system. Look at that beautiful water flowing. And that's what was causing the evaporator coil to freeze over. Look at that. Got that all clean. I'm gonna turn on the steamer here. And we're also gonna kind of just purge it with some steam as well. Just to make sure, because we do not want to be returning anytime soon. Little cockroach there. Oh yeah, now I know for sure that there will be no more water leaking out when I disconnect it. See, before, as soon as I disconnected, water was just pouring out of here. Yes, all right. All right. Why are you so shy? All right, let's see. Alright, wrapping up, cleaning the defrost drain system on this true refrigerator. Right now, Miranda is finishing up reattaching the defrost drain to. Here's your light. Just a little sweat, son. That won't kill you. Make sure you're seeing good, able to see good to put it on properly. And you know it's just a push in.
Yeah, I just need to figure out which side is. I think it's this one.
Does it matter which way it's going? I don't know.
Yeah, I also.
Make sure you go all the way in. Just like how you seen it before. Looks pretty good. Let me see. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that looks good. Where was it what?
Where was it, like, up?
I don't know. If you get down lower and take a look, you will kind of see. Make sure the light is pointing where you need it to point. You can't be looking somewhere and the light pointing somewhere else.
It's right here.
Is that the only place you could screw it? I don't think you got much options. You gotta position yourself properly. You see how I get down sometime? I be laying down, I be on my stomach, my back. You're supposed to be more flexible than I am. Yeah, turn up your flexibility. Water is dripping out, so that's a good sign. Yeah, take your time, you got it. Yeah, change your position, you got it. Whatever feels more comfortable. I don't know, you got like 1,000 different more positions to choose from.
Yeah, that was one position, so I cannot get out.
Ah, yeah, of course you can. think you got it? Yeah, that looks good. Alright, let's roll, buddy. Let's put that cover back on and time to get out of here. You get up slower than I do.